understood the modes of nutrition, right? Autotrophic and heterotrophic. Now, why are we showing this autotrophic? Again, there's one more thing that we need to do. What is it called as? The overall reaction. Correct now? You must know the overall reaction. Okay, a photosynthesis. This is, what is this organelle? What is this organelle? Through which there is gaseous passage happening in plants. Yes, you're right. It is stomata. Correct. Okay. So in stomata, there is gaseous exchange taking place, which is similar to that of our nose. Okay. So here the overall reaction of photosynthesis is 6 molecules. What is it? 6 molecules of carbon dioxide is taken in. Okay. Along with 6 molecules of water also. Okay. Raw material. Yes. Correct. Water and carbon dioxide. This will be discussed. This is going to form carbohydrate. I am writing it here down. Okay. What is carbohydrate formula? C. How many 6 C's are there here? How many C's are there here? 6. So C6. How many hydrogens are there here? 12. C6H12. How many O's are there here? Yes. I'll write down C6H12 O6 plus extra 6 more are there, right? So that will be given out as again water molecules or oxygen molecules also, right? So 6 molecules of oxygen is being released out. So what is it? 6 molecules of carbon dioxide is taken in. 6 molecules of water is also taken in. I put it like this. It is anyhow going via the root, not the stomata. Please make a note. Understood? Yes. So this is forming carbohydrate. What is the formula? C6H12O6. 6 carbons. Yes. 12 hydrogens. Yes. So how many are there? 6, 12, 18. Oxygen is there, right? So 6 is here and 12 is here. So totally there is 18 molecules of oxygen which is being balanced out. This is the overall reaction of photosynthesis. Is it complete? Is it complete? It's not complete. You need to write down what is involved here. Light, right? In the presence of the pigment chlorophyll. In the presence of the pigment chlorophyll. 1 marker question. Write down the overall reaction or the photosynthesis. What is it? They will ask you for definition. You just define and write this entire formula or the reaction. You will get 1 or 2 mark. Okay? Understood? Let us move to the next concept. Okay? Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. We have discussed this. Yes or no? Yes? So we have discussed this. Heterotrophic is taking nutrition from the others. As you see, animals. Okay? They are feeding on the plants. Understood? Now, under heterotrophic, there are 3 types or 3 different kinds of nutrition. Okay, so what is it that I am discussing? Types of heterotrophic nutrition. I put as HN. Okay, what are they? Saprotrophic. Always remember fungi in that. Saprotrophic. Parasitic. Here also fungi is there. But I'll tell you how is the difference. You can ask. Here also fungi is there. Here also fungi is there. I'll tell you. Okay. And then holozoic under the amoeba and human. Okay. So what is this? Sapro. Sapro, you must remember this. Okay. Sapro means where the organism is feeding. Feeding means it is taking nutrition from dead and decaying matter. This is one of the keywords when you are discussing about saprophytic. Example, fungi. Okay. Parasitic. Draws means takes. Okay. Absorbs, sucks. Okay. Draws nutrition from the host. I'll tell you what is the host. Okay. Please make a note of this. I'll show you the diagrams. Okay. So the keywords: draws nutrition from host. Okay. Understood? And holozoic consumes organic food. human and amoeba. What are the three types? Saprotrophic, parasitic, holozoic. Sapro means the organism which get nutrition from dead and decaying matter. That's nothing but plant leaves which would have dead and gone. We also die and go off in the soil. So the organism which feeds on us after the death, okay, even the plants also are called as saprotrophic. Okay, next parasitic. Now obviously you know there are so many bacteria within us and in plants also that keeps drawing nutrition without killing the organism. So the organism from which it takes the nutrition is called as host. Okay, so I am putting negative symbol for host here because there is no benefit because of that other organism. Host is losing nutrition, okay, and the other organism which is taking nutrition from the host is called as parasite. What is a parasite? An organism which draws nutrition from the host. What is a host? What is a host? Which, okay, which gives the nutrition. It is not doing it wantedly, okay. From it has been taken. So we shall give the correct word here, okay. So I'll put it as we'll put it as which, okay, the organism from which nutrition is taken is the host. Yes, correct. Now there are so many bacteria within us, right? So by causing diseases from us, they divide or they take nutrition from us. Understood? So we are the host from which the nutrition is taken by the parasite. This kind of nutrition in that organism which takes the food from the other organism is called as parasitic nutrition. Understood? Yes. Next, holozoic. Holozoic means the plants and animals and also amoeba. What is amoeba? Amoeba is a unicellular organism. So from this, the nutrition is, how is it taken? By engulfing the food. Engulfing means eating the food. Okay, eating the food. So here the food is eaten, okay, which is called as ingested, digested. Yes, whatever we eat, it is being digested, and then it is assimilated. Assimilated. A-S-S-I-M-I-L-A-T-E-D. Assimilated. What is it? Right? Yes. Correct. After assimilation, it is absorption. And then the last one is excretion. It may look clumsy here, but I'll write it again in a flow chart, but please make a note. Okay. Saprophytic, dead and decaying matter. Parasitic, draws nutrition from host. Holozoic, which eats the food. Now this food is getting absorbed in steps. So how is it? It eats the food, then the food is digested, assimilated, which diffused and gone, transported, yes, and then being absorbed, and then it is getting excreted out. These are all the steps which is involved in holozoic nutrition. Example, amoeba and human beings also. Yes? Okay, so we shall discuss in detail about all of this, but here, what is the type of question? What are all the types of heterotrophic nutrition? What is saprotrophic nutrition? What is parasitic nutrition? You have the keyword. What is holozoic nutrition? Along with the example you have. What are the steps involved? I'll discuss this in detail, but right now you can write out ingestion, digestion, assimilation, absorption, then excretion. 5 points. Okay? Simple? Yes? So this we have done. Let's move up to the next concept.